Hello everybody. Today, previous video I've been reviewing a Mad Max Interceptor in 1/8 scale. Today is review. I just finished Nux from Mad Max movie Fury Road, a Nux car. It's this car where was been attached Max itself, and today I'm finished a few days ago, so today I'm gonna review this car. And let me introduce the Nux car. This car took me a bit less to make. Took me only 240 hours, as less parts to print, but more job is with interior, because mainly all parts I've been wrapping in aluminum foil. So let's get into it. I will gonna show from all sides how it looks. That's how it looks from all sides. From the front, and engine is similar to this what is on a real car. Yeah, I tried to replicate it as close as possible to the real deal. Roof needed to put needle pins on top, plus I've done it two versions. This top is removing, that's how it looks closed, and that's how it looks like a half open. So you have two versions, or half open or closed, like that. Interior, here is a chain similar, the same chain what was being used on a wheel in Interceptor from Coupe clock. The same chain I use it here because it perfectly fits for this scale. Plus it's going pipe through it. This blood pipe what was being in the movie. And this blood pipe is going like inside, is going to the driver. And it's on a similar lever what was being attached to his hand. Inside is a bucket seat. Two I'm not too sure what was being used as tanks in the movie, but I think it was being a nose. That's additional tank as well here and underneath, and big tanks here on at the back. It's harpoons. I don't have driver and this, and that's how it looks from underneath. So this build, also custom paint, crackle effect. It was being painted in three times. One coating was being just filler. On top of the filler I put 2 or 3 coats of chrome. I covered with a silver paint, and on top of that I painted with a matte clear coat, and this matte clear coat give it this crackle effect to the fenders. So it is like that. And this model took me 240 hours to make. 240 hours, it's day and night was been printing parts, and at the same time I've been assembling everything. That's how it looks from other side. And came out quite big model. Tanks, this tanks and roof was been wrapped in aluminum plumber's foil. I have it, 10 millimeter, more than 10 millimeter plumber foil, and it's with adhesive. When you're applying, it's giving a metal effect to it. Only one, this is also in aluminum foil wrapped. So here it is, Nook's car. For today's video, it was been quite small video. I'm quite finished. Yeah, and my next video is gonna be a Mad Max Giga Horse. Giga Horse took me a bit more hours, and it will be soon. This video will be online, and this car is way larger than I've done it previous time. And this is not gonna be a remote controlled one. It's just gonna be a model for preview, but this is more replicated to original car than my previous one. So keep subscribed to our channel and put the notification bell, and you will gonna get a notification about the new video coming of a Mad Max Giga Horse. Have a good day and bye bye.